Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Health Reset. Here we bring you the best tips on health, wellness and living well. Let's dive in. 6 regular dishes that are harmful to health. Surely all of us want to eat delicious and nutritious food, right? However, there are certain foods that may seem very healthy, but if eaten too frequently or combined incorrectly, they can actually harm your health. Today, I want to share with you 6 common dishes that, if not properly prepared or consumed, can negatively impact your body. Let's dive in. Stir-fried zucchini at high temperatures. Zucchini is a very healthy food, rich in vitamins like B and C, along with minerals such as calcium and iron. However, when we stir-fry or cook zucchini at too high a temperature, it can produce a substance called acrylamide. This is a compound that can be harmful to health, and consuming it over time may increase the risk of cancer. So if you love zucchini, try steaming it lightly or cooking it at a lower temperature to preserve its nutritional value and avoid the formation of harmful substances. Beef stew with potatoes. Beef stew with potatoes is a very popular dish, loved in many places, from restaurants to family meals. However, this dish can cause digestive issues if eaten too frequently. Why is that? Because beef and potatoes require different levels of stomach acid to digest. Potatoes need a mild acidic environment, while beef needs a stronger acid. So when we combine these two foods, our digestive system has to work harder, leading to bloating, indigestion, and potentially causing long-term digestive problems. Soy milk and eggs. Soy milk and eggs are 2 common and nutritious breakfast foods. However, combining them together can cause digestive problems. This is because eggs contain a special protein that can bind with trypsin in soy milk. When these 2 foods are combined, trypsin in soy milk can't function properly, which reduces the ability to break down and absorb protein. As a result, the body can't fully digest the nutrients from both of these foods, leading to bloating, discomfort, and even a decrease in the nutritional value of the meal. Grated red and white radishes. Red and white radishes are excellent sources of vitamin C, but if you grate them into small strips, you may lose most of their nutritional value. This method of preparation causes an enzyme in the red radish to destroy the vitamin C in the white radish, thereby diminishing the health benefits of this dish. Instead, it's better to keep the radishes whole or cut them into larger pieces to preserve as much vitamin C as possible. Tea eggs. Tea eggs are a traditional dish that is quite popular in some countries, especially China. While this dish is delicious, eating too much of it can lead to digestive problems. The reason is that tea contains tannic acid, which, when combined with the protein in eggs, forms a compound known as tannic acid protein. This compound can slow down the digestive process, causing constipation, and even leading to the accumulation of toxins in the body because the substances aren't properly digested and absorbed. Conclusion. As we can see, while these foods can be very nutritious and delicious, if we don't prepare and combine them correctly, they can lead to various health problems. It's important for us to understand the impact of improper food combinations and adjust our eating habits accordingly to ensure we're doing what's best for our bodies. Remember, a healthy diet isn't just about what foods we eat, but also about how we prepare and combine them. I hope you'll take this information into consideration and learn more about how to protect your health by making better dietary choices. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all a healthy and happy day. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.